In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Google Maps to your Webflow website. Unfortunately, since Webflow doesn't support this functionality by default, what we need to do is use a third-party platform. Don't worry though, it's completely free and also very easy to set up. The first thing I want you to do is to click the first link down in the description of this video, which will take you to the Elf-site platform. Once you've clicked on the link, this is the page they're going to see. From here, I want you to head over to the top of the page, which is where you will find this widget button. Simply hover over it, and then I want you to head over to the tools section on the right hand side here. Then I want you to go about halfway down, which is where you will find Google Maps. It's right here for me, so click on that, and then you'll be taken to the Google Maps widget page. From here, click on this Create a Widget for Free button, and then you'll be taken down to the Google Maps template section. So as you can see on the left hand side here, you can see the different Google Maps templates that you can choose. And then on the right hand side here, you have an actual preview of what that map would look like if you were to install it on your Webflow website. Bear in mind that this is all fully interactive on the right hand side here. People can browse it as a normal map. They can go to satellite, they can go to normal map, they can zoom in, they can drop even the little person here, etc. Let me just cancel this. In terms of the actual design of the template, don't worry about it too much because we can actually customize pretty much anything that you see on the screen right here. So right now, the most important thing that you need to do is to go ahead and choose the template that you want. In my case, I think I'm going to go for this one right here because I quite like the look of it. It's also for a single location, which is exactly what I'm after. So I'm going to click on continue this template here in the bottom left corner of the screen. And then you'll be taken to this page right here, which is where we now need to start customizing the Google Maps widget to our liking. Now, bear in mind that the content that you see right here might be a little bit different depending on the type of template you choose, but it's all pretty self-explanatory and it's super straightforward. So obviously the first thing I want to do for this particular template is add the location. So click on location here and then literally click add location and then just type in. You can either add it by address or set up the coordinates. You can see set the location's position here. You can set its name or address in a text format. You can add an icon, you can add a description, action on mark click. So for example, if somebody clicks on here, it might take them to your website or whatever it might be. I'm not going to go ahead and add a new one. I'll just stick to the Empire State Building that we have right here. And then on the left hand side, actually, let me go back here. Yeah, we can also see categories. So we can set different categories. You have more than one location. So for example, if you have cafes and restaurants, you can separate the two. You can have icons here, which is the default icon right now, the red one here. On the left hand side here, you also see map, panel, and appearance. This is where we can customize the actual template a little bit further. So for example, if you go to maps right here, you will see the map type. In this case, it's a road map where you can change it to satellite, you can change it to hybrid, which is, I think, a mix between the two, and the terrain, which is obviously this standard one right here. I'm going to go for this one actually. Then you can also change the localization here. You can change it from miles to kilometers. And I'm not going to go for every single change that you can make here. I'll leave this up to you to explore and customize the Google Maps to your liking. But once you're ready to move forward, go ahead and click on Add to Website for Free in the bottom left corner of the screen right here. And then your Google Maps template will be saved up. And then you'll be taken to another page, which is where you need to publish the widget. So if you take a look at the top right corner of the screen in a second, you will see a green publish button. Just give it a second to load. There we go. There it is. So all you have to do here is click on publish, and then you will automatically be taken to the plans page. This is what the plans page looks like, and what you need to do here is choose a plan. Now, since this is the first widget that we're creating through Elf-site, we can actually go for this plan right here, which is completely free. It supports up to one widget for up to 200 views. So if you're just getting started, this might be the perfect plan for you. Alternatively, if you want to unlock more functionalities, if you want to have more than one widget on your Webflow website, or if you want to show your Google Maps to more than 200 people, then you can obviously go for one of the premium plans right here. So you can see they have quite a few different options that you could choose from. And if you choose to pay annually, you also get to save quite a bit of money as well, which is pretty nice. But yeah, once you've selected the plan that works best for you, you'll then be taken to this page right here, which is where we need to copy the code for the Google Maps widget that we just created. So click on copy code, and then let's head over to Webflow so we can start integrating it. So as you can see, I'm in my Webflow editor right now, and I want my Google Maps added to this particular section right here. As you can see, it has padding just on the top and on the bottom as well. This is set just so I can see where the section is. Bear in mind that you can remove the padding if you want the Google Maps widget to be flush with the section above and below it. In my case, I'll just leave it like this because it doesn't really matter. But yeah, select the section where you want the Google Maps template to go. But yeah, select the section where you want the Google Maps widget to go, and then click on this plus icon right here in the top left corner of the screen, and then search for code. And then you will see code embed right here. Click on that, and then this window is going to open up. Simply paste the code we just copied previously from Elf-site, click on save and close, then go ahead and publish your website. Give it a couple of seconds to prepare the publishing of the changes, and then all you have to do is go ahead and preview your website live. And as you can see, here is my Google Maps. This is what it looks like. Super nice and clean. Bear in mind, this is fully interactive right here. The padding that I talked about, as you can see the little bit of white here. We can remove this to make sure that the map is flush with the actual section here. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to add Google Maps to your Webflow website. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.